Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will tell you how to use Google Fonts in your projects. First of all, go to Google and type Google Fonts. Now you will see the first link with the fonts.google.com. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will get a ton of fonts and you can select the one you like. For example, I like this one with the Oh Baby. I will click and here are the styles available in this font. I will select this style and now I will be given a bar like here. Now you can see here are two options for me. I can either import or either link. I like to import, so I will copy it. I will go to my Visual Studio Code. I will make a project index.html. Here I will link my CSS styles.css. Okay, and here we will make a file name styles.css. Here I will write h1 and I will like here is the tutorial. Okay, now after coming the styles.css, I will press Ctrl V to import this line from here, and after that we have to copy it and paste in CSS. Here I will style h1 and I will paste. Now we will open a live server and see what is the effect. We can add as many fonts as we want. Now here you can see our imported font has been applied. You can select any font you like and you can achieve your results. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.